You're rolling.
Did you use this to sear it?
Oh no!
What?
I used the knife. Well, let's get started.
Alright. Hi, I'm Middle, and I make meals that are easy, vegetarian, or pescatarian, and it all started on Instagram. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. Follow me on my socials to keep up with these middle meals. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Middle Meals. So today we're gonna make a very simple squash soup. Everything store-bought, you just gotta put it in the pot. But I'm gonna show you a twist that's gonna change your views on how you can make squash soup, where you can put raviolis or even tortellinis in your squash soup. Get it filling for your body, your mind, your spirit. Let's go. Let's just get started. So we're gonna chop up some onion. It don't really matter how the hell you do this. Like, this is fine, guys. It's really not that deep. Yeah, so we gonna get that done. Once that's done, I'm gonna do the garlic. Then we gonna put it in the pot here. The pot has some olive oil, extra virgin, don't know, unlike myself. Medium heat. Dash it in. Okay.
So Middle, what's that there on your finger?
What? This?
Yeah.
Listen, let me talk to you guys very seriously, okay? Cooking is dangerous work, all right? I stay in the kitchen. This is a result of that. Stay safe. When you do my recipes, and when you cook in general, be cautious. Don't be like me. Right now, I'm putting some no-name seasoning. Look, there's no name on the back. I'm just kidding. It's rosemary. Put some of that. Rosemary is so good with like potatoes and like starchy veggies. That's fucking lit. Anyways, get enough of that shit in there, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Once that's done, put some oregano oregano in there. I don't know. That should be about right. Like I said, I don't do recipes. If y'all want to come through following the journey, just know that you're not going to get no concrete measurements of nothing most times. So this is what we're dealing with right over here, okay? We've got all the store-bought things you can find. We got feta, mushroom broth, squash ting, and ravioli them, tortellini. I like tortellinis. My babe likes the raviolis, so there was no compromise here. We had to get both. And yeah, here's the magic. Okay, so we're gonna start with this. Come over here with me. Okay, watch this. This is definitely done. Okay, I've been waiting to put this shit in here, so this is more than done. Give it a little shake. It's a brand new box. Anyways, let's pour it in. Don't be alarmed. That's totally normal. So I think I put about half the box.
So about this much.
So this is what? 900 milliliters? So I've put 450 milliliters in the pot. There you go, a measurement. Getting better at this. Anyways, so once that's in here, give it a stir with the onions and the garlic and all your herbs. I'm actually gonna add to this, which I actually have never added this to the soup before, but I'm gonna add some turmeric right in here because apparently it's good for heart disease, prevention of cancer, and even depression and all that stuff. And I mean, life is really confusing, and I really don't know what to be eating at this point because they always be telling you like this causes cancer, this doesn't cause cancer, this treats cancer. Like, everything is crazy, but this is what I know about turmeric, and it doesn't really have a taste, so it's not gonna overpower or spoil the soup. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that in there. Now y'all, this wagwan, okay? This right here is wagwan. Now listen, I could be extra right now. I could get a squash from the store. I can roast it. I can put it in this pot. I can make soup. But why do that when this exists? Okay, this exists for a reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour all of that into the pot right now. And this is what people don't tell you. You can mix mushroom broth with this squash stuff and then it's completely different. I've literally customized this soup. I'm gonna put a little clip of when I really did it up nice with some potatoes and carrots and stuff. I've added a bit of water. I'm gonna have this steam so that my potatoes soften, my carrots soften, but I cut them very thinly so that the time will be cut in half. Just adding this in. Oh god, it's splashing. You can really make this soup your own, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do for this today. It's gonna be good. Y'all looking at it like, the fuck? But trust me, trust me.
Okay, well, since she was talking during that whole thing, I'm gonna pour mine and we're gonna listen. Ah, AMSR. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, babe. You see, this is why you can't just trust anybody in the kitchen, you know, because people be doing things like this. Then you get your soup and it's too peppered.
Good thing I like black pepper.
Y'all see that? Going through the hole like that?
I know, let's all just
That's
stay
so
quiet
pleasing.
and just, you know, enjoy it for a second.
I'm like the one cameraman in the porno talking over all this shit, pissing everybody the fuck off. Like, let's just fucking enjoy the fucking scene. Goddamn.
Can anyone tell me what the hole in the spoon is for?
Yo, like,
is it for this?
10 points if you know what that's for. All right, so these are herb tortellinis.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, filled with cheese. So yeah, this recipe is vegetarian. Okay, 100% vegetarian, not vegan. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a decent amount because I have like all that soup in there, right? I have half a box of the mushroom broth. I have a whole box of the squash stuff. So we're gonna get about half this, what is it, like a fucking kilogram? Like half a kilogram of some goddamn tortellinis in there. And we're just gonna have the soup cook the tortellinis to tenderness. It'll probably take about 5-6 minutes. And then you'll have dinner. Congrats. I like to add a little water to my soup, just a little bit.
I don't
know, something about like just putting like straight ingredients in the shit and not adding water makes me uneasy. I don't know why, but I like to add a little splash of water, so I'm gonna do that. The waiting game. I'm hungry. I picked through the family, grabbed my sister like Janet.
Hey. Is it time?
No.
Is it time? What are you doing? Oh my god! Oh, I thought you put it in your mouth. You didn't burn yours? You didn't even blow it for long.
I did. Oh.
I don't. She's an alien.
Okay, so peep how we did not use salt, not once in this whole shit. Okay, so we're literally right now. I just tasted it. I think it could do with a pinch, like an actual pinch of this salt from the Pink Mountains. You know. So I'm gonna just plop that right in. Boom. Give it a stir-as. And yo, this shit's ready to serve, fam. I'm gonna let it cool right now. Eating process has begun, my guy. Just gonna put it right in there, you know. Cheese. Yo, I'm so hungry, man. So cheesy I had to wait so long to eat today. Anyways, I have food in front of me, so I'm not gonna complain no more. If y'all don't if y'all don't know, it's 4:37 and I haven't had a meal yet, so this is why I'm cheese. Anyways, 4:37 p.m. that is. God damn it. Listen, I'm not perfect.
Never scared?
Never.
Never?
Never scared.
Never scared?
Never scared. All right, so after all this is done, didn't take long at all, we are gonna top it off. So what I like to top mine with is some feta. Trust me. And also that's why we also don't need salt. I mean, apart from the soup's already being salted, the feta does add some of that salt content to it. So we're just gonna... I'm really bad at presentation, y'all gonna learn. Anyways, so after that, I'm gonna add some roasted pumpkin seeds.
I'm better.
You know? Just sprinkle it all over there. From there, you have a bunch of choices. You can add some cranberries, dried cranberries, of course. Even some croutons. I'm gonna just top mine off with some black pepper.
And why wouldn't we use fresh cranberries?
Why wouldn't we use fresh cranberries? It just don't make no damn sense. And lastly, if you love yourself, you go ahead and you put some Italian parsley right there. I fucked it up, but you know my heart's in the right place here. Anyways. There you have it, guys. There you have it. It's mealtime.
All right, so throw that away. Listen, my way is so much better. Y'all don't even understand. Middle doesn't know what she's talking about. You gotta get the feta in the middle. Okay? For someone with the name of Middle, I don't really know what they're doing. Cranberries.
You're so full of it.
Some black pepper on the top.
What the hell? Like you didn't already put half the damn pack of black pepper in it while it was cooking.
Embarrassing me.
Not even a sprinkle of black pepper.
You gotta do one of these, you know what I'm saying?
What was that you just put in there?
Oregano. And then, I'm not even done yet. Croutons, okay? For that crunch.
I rate the croutons still. I'm just like not really feeling it today, but I definitely rate the croutons.
And then
she gonna do it? Cheese.
And that's how you do it.
Cheese. Okay. Saying that's
what
how
would
you're
you
trying to eat
rather?
it.
This caca?
Oh my god, please tell me, guys. Tell me.
Or this?
Tell me.
What would you rather come home to?
The best part is mine looking better, but we're not gonna talk about that.
What do you mean? This is aesthetic.
Keep in mind, I had tortellinis in mind. She got ravioli. So pick. Which one you want?
What would you want to come home to?
Pick which one. Pick. Team Cilla or Team Middle? Let's go.
So, how's it taste?
Yo, it tastes blessed, fam. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Middle Meals. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Team Cilla.